Think you're smart? Well, prove it. Scan the QR code on screen and join the quiz instantly. You can play by yourself or create a room and challenge your friends. The smartest brain wins. Scan now and start playing.
Next up, science. From atoms to galaxies, this category will test your knowledge of how the universe works. Let's see how many questions you can get right.
This quiz is intermediate level, made for ages 11 to 14.
Quiz starting soon. Scan to join.
Are you ready to start? Here we go.
Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? In what year was Albert Einstein born? This scientist is famous for discovering gravity after observing a falling apple. Who is he? Sort these scientists by their birth year from earliest to latest. Which scientist proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? In what year did Marie Curie win her first Nobel Prize? This scientist is known for his work with electricity and inventing the Tesla coil. Who is he? Which scientist discovered penicillin in 1928? Sort these discoveries from earliest to latest. Which scientist is known as the father of modern genetics? How many Nobel Prizes did Marie Curie win during her lifetime? Which scientist improved the telescope and supported the heliocentric model of the solar system? This scientist helped discover the structure of DNA using X-ray images. Who's she? In what year did Charles Darwin publish On the Origin of Species? Which scientist invented the first practical telephone? Sort these scientists by the field they worked in from smallest scale to largest scale. Which scientist is known for the laws of motion? In what year did Galileo Galilei die? Which scientist studied chimpanzees and is famous for her work in primatology? This scientist developed the smallpox vaccine in the 18th century. Who is he?
Time to check your score. How are you doing? Let's continue the quiz.
Sort these scientists by the year they won a Nobel Prize, earliest to latest. In what year did Nikola Tesla die? Which scientist proposed that the Earth revolves around the Sun? This scientist is known for studying radioactivity and winning 2 Nobel Prizes. Who is she? How many planets were known in the solar system when Galileo improved the telescope? Which scientist formulated the 3 laws of planetary motion? Sort these scientists by the century they mainly worked in from earliest to latest. Which scientist is famous for experiments with electricity and magnetism in the 1800s? In what year did Alexander Fleming discover penicillin? Which scientist is known for the famous equation E equals mc squared? Place a marker on the map where Albert Einstein was born. Which scientists worked on the Manhattan Project and helped to develop the atomic bomb? In what year did Isaac Newton publish Principia Mathematica? The scientist is known for studying gorillas and chimpanzees in Africa. Who was she? Sort these famous scientists by their main field alphabetically. Which scientist is known for discovering X-rays? In what year did the first Nobel Prizes get awarded? Which scientist is known as the father of modern chemistry? Place a marker where Galileo Galilei was born. Which scientist created the periodic table?
Time to check your score. How are you doing? Let's continue the quiz.
How many elements were originally listed in Mendeleev's first periodic table? Which scientist is known for studying black holes and wrote A Brief History of Time? Sort these scientists from oldest birth year to youngest. Which scientist proposed the laws of inheritance using pea plants? In what year was Stephen Hawking born? Place a marker where Marie Curie was born. Which scientist is known for discovering radio waves and improving wireless communication? In what year did Stephen Hawking die? Which scientist helped discover the double helix structure of DNA? Sort these discoveries by the scientist who made them alphabetically.
And that's the final question. How many did you get right? Check your results in the app and see your final score. Let us know in the comments how you did. Challenge your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.